Hi there, my name is Tamara. I am a listing consultant here at the Live North Scottsdale apartment community. I am going to show you around our B2 apartment today. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It is very spacious and we have nice small finishes that just make this apartment a little bit more like home. So if you want to follow me along, I'll show you around, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact the leasing office. We would be happy to show you this in person anytime. So, all right, let's go. So I'm going to start right at the front door for you here. You walk right into this small little section. You can do like an entry table, a little hutch for your fine dining, whatever you prefer. It's up to you, or just this nice little entryway works. And it leads right into this hallway here. On your left-hand side is going to be a coat closet for you right immediately. And there is a little bit of space there that you can see for storage if you'd like. On your right-hand side, we have your washer and dryer conveniently located behind these little farm doors, and then a little storage space for you know, your little Tide Pod, bounce strips, whatever you use for your laundry. It's a little section for you. We're gonna go right into the kitchen, but if you take a look to your left here, you'll also see you have your second bedroom. So straight ahead, you have your second bedroom, carpet in the bedrooms only, and then you get a nice view, really good natural light, and then you have a small walk-in closet over here. So you can see how large this is. You can actually walk inside and see how big this closet is. We're gonna continue this way into your guest bathroom. You do have a small sink. You have granite counters, dark wash cabinetry, and then a large soaker tub. We do also give you tons of cabinet space for your linens, blankets, storage, all of that good stuff there. We are going to go into the kitchen actually this time, so you can see how the kitchen opens up here. Once again, you have that large island, dark wash cabinetries, granite countertop. We have stainless steel appliances throughout. You get that beautiful black backsplash, and then also those gas stoves. We'll take a look at the kitchen in just a moment, a little bit deeper. Right over here is going to be your living space. You can see just how spacious this really is. There's a lot you can do here. And then you do have a small little space over there for like a small kitchen table, or if you're a bar stool person, you can definitely do bar stools up there as well. Okay, now heading into the kitchen, you do have tons of storage space. So we're gonna kind of take a peek. You can see these cabinets are very deep and they go all the way back. Double oven. You even have these nice like lit up cabinets for like fine dining, or you can put your china in there. You can put whatever you want that you want to showcase. And then also a large fridge for you, nice big space. You do get filtered water inside there, and then we also have an ice machine for you right there. Close these up and take a look at the patio. So if you head out this way, you'll take a look at our patio. This one actually has an awesome view of the pool. As you can see, it has a great view. There's a bunch of people hanging out at the pool right now. And then also just the space that you have here. You can definitely do like a little garden or like a patio set. Tons of room in every single one of our 2 bedrooms, and actually every single apartment of us on property has a nice little balcony space for you. All right, now we're going to head past the kitchen and through this door to the master. Once again, carpet only in the bedroom. Tons of space for that nice king size bed if you prefer. And look at this view here. But you can see, you can definitely make sure you have tons of room for all of your furniture, dresser, and all that stuff. And then right through here, you do have 2 closets, so it's a his and hers. And kind of see how big that space is there. And then also in here, open that up for you as well. And same thing, there's just a lot of space. It goes all the way back for your closet there. We'll head to the bathroom. You have dual vanity here. here. Granite counters once again, and then this one does have a walk-in shower. So you can kind of see, you have both options. So if you want to take a bath, you can. If you want to just do a quick walk-in shower, have that option as well. So. Alrighty, so that concludes our 2-bedroom, 2-bath tour of our B2 model floor plan. We would be happy to give you any more information. If you want to come in and tour yourself and see this beautiful unit in person, we are offering virtual and in-person tours currently, so please give us a call at Live North Scottsdale, or you can always email livenorthscottsdale@livecommunities.com. Alright, well, I hope to hear from you soon, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!